Okay, dear student, yesterday already we have seen that what is the use of the variable, how using the variable we can represent the daily life situations, and here now in coming exercise we have to study how we can write down the mathematical expression for the daily life situation. Now here for writing it, some words are given to you and how you can convert it into a arithmetic operations. If it is given less, it means you have to subtract. If it is given more, it means you have to add it. If it is given younger brother, younger sister, it means you have to subtract it. If it is given older one, it means you have to add it. If it is asked age from now, what will be? Okay, so that in that case you have to add it. What was the age ago or back, these many years ago or these many years back, then in that case you can use subtraction. If it is asked 2 times, 4 times, 5 times, it means times means you have to multiply it by that number. Now we are going to see the problems from exercise 11.4. Okay, here the questions are given that Sarita's age is given, and according to the Sarita's age we have to find out the ages of mother, father, grandmother, all these. So it is already given that the Sarita's age is X years, present age. Okay, in all the age problems we have to first consider present age only. Okay, so present age of the Sarita is already given X years. Now it is asked after 5 years what will be her age. So after 5 years, it means 5 we have to add in the present age, and hence we will get X plus 5 years. Next it is asked 3 years back or 3 years ago what was the age. It means 3 we have to subtract from the present age. So X minus 3 it will be there. Age of grandfather, it is given 6 times. It means 6 is multiplied by the X, that will be 6X years. Okay. Next it is asked to find out age of the grandmother, and grandmother it is given, her age is already given, that she is 2 years less than the grandfather. What is grandfather age we got? That is 6X. So 6X minus 2, that will be the age of grandmother. And next it is asked age of her father, it is given 5 years more than the 3 times the Sarita's age. 3 times Sarita's age means 3X, and 5 more means we have to add 5. So it will be 3X plus 5, that will be the age of Sarita's father. Now next we have to find out length of the rectangle we have to find out. Breadth is already given. So what is the breadth is given? Breadth is given B, and we have to find out length. So it is given that length is 4 less than the 3 times of the breadth. 3 times of the breadth means 3B. 4 less, it means 3B minus 4. From 3B we have to subtract 4. That will be the length of the rectangle. In next question, cuboid it is given to us. Cuboid means it will have length, breadth and height. So height is already given in this example, that is H is the height of the box. And what is the length? Length is given 5 times of the height. 5 times of the height means 5 multiplied by H. Okay. What is breadth is given? Breadth is given, that is 10 centimeter less than the length. 10 centimeter less than length means length is already we got, that is 5H. 5H minus 10, that will be the breadth of that cuboid. Okay.